everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to fix the error. Some of your game files have been detected to have no signature or an invalid signature. If you're seeing this in Counter-Strike 2, don't worry, I've got a few quick fixes for you. Let's jump in. Step 1. Verify game files. First, open Steam. Go to your library, right-click on Counter-Strike 2 and select Properties. Now click on Installed Files. Then hit Verify Integrity of Game Files. This process will check for any missing or corrupted files. Once it's done, restart the game and see if the issue is fixed. Step 2. Run CS2 as administrator. If the error is still there, go back to Installed Files. Then click Browse to open the CS2 game folder. Inside the folder, go to Bin. Open the Win64 folder and find CS2X. Right-click it and select Run as Administrator. To make this permanent, right-click again, go to Properties Compatibility, check Run this program as administrator, and hit Apply. Step 3. Use PowerShell commands. If that didn't work, open Windows PowerShell as an administrator. Copy and paste the first command from the video description, hit Enter, then do the same for the second command. After running both commands, restart your computer and launch CS2 again. Outro, and that's it. Your game should be working now. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more quick fixes, and let me know in the comments if you need any extra help. Thanks for watching.